Chicken Soup, Chicken Soup. Written by Pamela Mayer. Illustrated by Deborah Melman. Carbon Publishing. 2 grandmas, 2 soup pots. 2 family traditions. 2 recipes for chicken soup. Uh-oh! How could a little piece of dough stuffed with meat and floating in a bowl of chicken soup cause a problem? It started one rainy afternoon when I went to my Bubby's, my Grandma Ellie's, for lunch. "Sophie, darling, here's a nice bowl of hot chicken soup for you." I picked up my spoon and smiled when I saw the dumpling in my soup. Yum! Wonton, my favorite. "Wonton? Who's a wonton?" Bubby asked. "Silly Bubby, in the soup." "Sophie, my zissel, my sweet one, those are kreplach, not wontons. This is Jewish chicken soup, which I make for you just the way my Bubby made it for me. Now eat. It's delicious." For the rest of the afternoon, we played dress-up and had a wonderful time. But when Mommy came to pick me up, I heard Bubby muttering about a granddaughter who didn't know the difference between kreplach and wontons. A few days later, I went to my Nai Nai's, my Grandma Nancy's, for lunch. "Here you are, Sophie. Good hot soup," Nai Nai said. Kreplach," I said. "I love kreplach." "What's kreplach?" Nai Nai asked. "Silly Nai Nai, in the soup." "Sophie, my bow-bow, my baby, my treasure. This is Chinese chicken soup with wonton. I make it for you, just the way my Nai Nai made it for me. Now eat and grow strong." For the rest of the afternoon, Nai Nai and I had fun painting pictures. But when Daddy came to pick me up, I heard her talking to him about a granddaughter who didn't know the difference between wontons and kreplach. I knew the difference between soup with kreplach and soup with wontons. I just accidentally mixed them up. Bubby's chicken soup had carrots and parsley. Nai Nai's chicken soup had bamboo shoots and green onions. Wontons are not kreplach. Kreplach are not wontons. A little different, a lot the same. And I could prove it. When I told Mommy and Daddy about my idea, they liked it. So the next week, I invited Bubby and Nai Nai to our house for lunch. I asked each of them to bring their soup. Soon Bubby's chicken soup with kreplach simmered on the stove next to Nai Nai's chicken soup with wontons. "Your soup smells very good, Nancy," Bubby said. "Yours too, Ellie," Nai Nai said. I took a big serving bowl out of the drawer. Daddy helped me pour in both soups until the two were mixed together. Presenting the first ever Jewish Chinese kreplach wonton chicken soup, I said. Mommy ladled the new soup into bowls, and we all sat down at the table. "You know," Bubby said, "to be completely honest, my chicken soup isn't exactly the way my Bubby made it. I buy wonton wrappers to make my kreplach." "So your Jewish chicken soup is a little bit Chinese?" I asked. Bubby nodded. That's right. I have something to say too, Nai Nai said. I buy the chicken for my soup at the kosher market. The flavor is better. So your Chinese chicken soup is a little bit Jewish? I asked. Yes, it is, Nai Nai said. A little Jewish, a little Chinese, a lot like me, I said. Sophie Chang, you're a genius, Bubby said. I've always thought so, Nai Nai agreed. Kreplach schmeckblach. Let's eat, Bubby said. Wait a minute, don't you mean wonton schmonton? Nai Nai asked. I laughed and dipped my spoon into my bowl. A bite of kreplach, a taste of wontons. I said. Mommy, Daddy, Bubby, and Nai Nai all started eating. A wonderful blend, Bubby said. The best of both, said Nai Nai, just like our granddaughter. Suddenly, I knew what made Bubby's and Nai Nai's soup so much alike. The special ingredient in every bowl of any grandma's soup is love. Save room, everybody, Bubby said. I made knishes. And I brought egg roll, Nai Nai said. Are we talking dough filled with vegetables then fried? Bubby asked. Precisely, Nai Nai said. I couldn't wait to taste my first egg knish, or egg roll. I knew it would be delicious.